Hey guys, welcome back to Tracie's Place. I am here with a haul, a Goodwill haul and a Walmart haul. They're both not real big, but I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna start with the Goodwill haul first. I just got a couple items from there. My husband was looking for something specific, so I said, well, I'll just run on in here with him, and I shouldn't have went. Every time I go in there, I find something that I want to get, and I don't need nothing else. So anyway, let me go ahead and start with Goodwill. I found this cute jacket, and y'all know Goodwill's not having any sales or anything, so this was regular Goodwill price. This was $4.99, and I hope you can see it. I know I'm kind of close up for doing a haul, but this is so cute. It was $4.99. It's a jacket. It's basically like a blue jean jacket, a waist-length blue jean jacket, and the fabric is basically blue jean. Well, not blue jean. You'd have to feel it, but it's basically like a blue jean jacket, and it's waist length, it's long sleeve, and it's black and white. It is so cute. I said I had to have it, so put it in the basket. But I love that. Also from Goodwill, I picked up this, oh goodness, I should have had this on a hanger. But this like sweater type jacket or whatever, this overthrow. It is very cute. It has pockets on both sides. Like I said, I should have been further away, but this comes like mid-thigh, which I love. I love that. So I'll wear some leggings with this, some black leggings, and maybe a black shirt with a long cute necklace with it, and just dress it up a little bit. But yeah, I love that. It has the print on animal print on the cuff, and it's the same up here, and love that. That was $4.99. $4.99. Also, this looks a little space agey, but I was envisioning something when I bought it. When I saw it, I said, let me get this little, this is a Vera Bradley purse. And it is just, I thought that was cute. It's rose gold. Thought that was cute. So I picked that up. It was $5. So I can put that with something, since it's kind of overstated, I could put it with something understated and, style that out. Yes. Okay, now moving on to Walmart. So went in Walmart, and I was just looking for a couple of things as usual, and I was looking for some sweatpants, and I didn't want the ones that cinch up at the ankle. I just wanted the straight pant. So these are the straight leg relaxed fit mid-rise super soft, and a fleece pant. It's a fleece pant. They are soft on the inside. This fleece on the inside, it feels so soft. But yeah, just to wear around when I'm running my errands, or even every day at home. Or you can also, I won't say dress these up, but you could put certain things with certain things and make it look cute. But anyway, yeah, these were just kind of some hanging around the house or running errand pants. So they were $7.96. So I got some in gray, and I wanted navy blue also. So I got some navy blue ones. And even though I have a lot of black leggings and black pants and whatever, I think I'm going to go back and get some black ones too. But yeah, got them in navy blue. And this is what they look like at the bottom. They're just straight. They go down kind of more towards the ankle, but they're not, See, I got those. They were both $7.96 each. So I also picked up these. They're basically like bandanas. I love wearing these with my half hairdos, half wigs, and then I also like wearing them with my Afro puffs too. So when we do your natural hairstyles and different things like that, it's cute for that. But yeah, these are, well, it doesn't have a name. Well, yeah, it's gingham border bandana. And then I also got this print bandana. It's the army fatigue, I guess, kind of thing going on. And I have some fitted pants, fitted leggings that are like army fatigues. And I just thought it would be cute. And I'll probably wear a long black shirt with some leggings and then the bandana in my hair and style it out like that. Put on some jewelry, some accessories, make it look cute. Also, y'all, do y'all buy jewelry from Walmart? Y'all let me know down in the comments, because I found these. Now, I've gotten a few pieces here and there before, and I've never had a problem with Walmart jewelry. Anyway, a lot of their things are called Time and True, and it says quality tested. Oh my goodness, this was so cute. I saw this in the clearance section. They have a good clearance section on their jewelry, and I don't always look over there, but I just happened to this time. Like I said, I've done it a couple times before, and I'm going to start doing it more often. But this was $4.50 now. It said $4.50. But when I got to the register, it was $1.50, $1.25 or $1.50. I was like, oh, I should have got some more stuff. But this is so cute. It's rose gold. And, well, this is gold. This is more gold, but then it has this rose color, like pendant or whatever, and the pretty outline on the bracelet. It's a bracelet, and it's so cute. Also, I got this necklace that matches it very similarly, and it looks like it's kind of long. It probably goes like to here, and it is so cute. It was also $1 something. I think it was $1.75 when I got up to the register. So yeah, I thought that was so cute, and I'll probably put some gold hoop earrings on with it. Style that out. Also, y'all, I got this watch and bracelet set, $12.88, and this is darling. I stood there for the longest because they have something in rose gold that was kind of similar, and then they had this gold, and I said, well, I really need gold. Rose gold I wouldn't wear too often, but so anyway, I settled on this gold, and I got it because I've gotten watches from Walmart before and never had a problem. This is actually from Walmart. Didn't turn. I hope y'all can see that. It didn't turn or anything. This is just one of them snap-on deals. And I love it. It has a little diamond, not, you know, it ain't diamond, but rhinestone or whatever around here. And it's cute. It's functional. It's the big face. And they have many different styles, but this is just mine for every day. I think this was like $8 or $9 a couple years ago, and I still have it. I also have a gold one. The battery finally ran out, and I said, you know what, instead of buying another battery, because batteries cost. If you go to replace the battery, these batteries nowadays, they cost. I said, I just buy another thing. Batteries are like $12 and $15 or whatever. I will just buy another watch set. By the time your battery runs out, it's time for something new. So anyway, I thought that was a good deal, and I thought it was cute, so I got that. Also, I got this Mega Growth Anti-Breakage Strengthener. It smells really good. I don't think I've had this before, but I have had Perfective products before, and this smells so good. So I was needing some moisturizer for my natural hair, and I got this Lotta Body with coconut and shea oils. I love this. I get this all the time. It's the Moisture Me Curl and Style Milk. So I got that. Also, I've never seen this. This is hand sanitizer from Zest, and it's alcohol antiseptic. It's 80% topical solution. It was 50 cents, y'all. 50 cents. So I got 2 of those, and they're sprays, which I like a lot. They won't be running all over the place. You know how you go to sanitizers are so liquidy, and you go to put it on and it just kind of goops everywhere. I love the sprays a little better. I still use the other ones, but I love the sprays. When I saw this, I said, well, let me try it. Okay, Jergens. I got this, and I got the bottles that were 25% more, because, you know, sometimes it's just the, I think it's 23 ounces or something like that, but I was able to find the ones 25% more free. So I got 25% more free for the same price as, you know, the regular size. Let's see what else. Cleaner. I know we still stocking up. I'm not overdoing it, but I just, you know, got some. Want to have enough. I got some Pine Sol, and I already have some other cleaners. So you never can, you know, have too much. Don't overdo it. Don't hog it from everybody else, but get enough. So I have some all-purpose cleaner, and it is the kind that kills 99.9% of germs, and it disinfects. And it's lemon scented. Y'all know how I love my lemon. So I got that. I love pine sol, and I love lemon scented products. So I got that. And also I got the Clorox disinfecting wipes in crisp lemon. So I have that. Moving on. I know I got a little hungry when I got in there, so I got 2 caramel apples. They kind of got smushed up a little bit in the bag, but they were 98 cents, I think it was, a piece. So I got 2 caramel apples. I don't think I've ever tried their quick grits. I usually get the Kroger brand, but these were just $1.34, and I was passing by, and I said, let me try them. Again, in that stocking up mode, because I think we have 2 downstairs already. So I just got another one. And this, you all, this is delicious. This is delicious. I think it was like $2.39 or $2.69, somewhere in there. But this Honeycrisp apple juice, oh my goodness, it's so good. I love this. So I get this from Walmart. You can also, Kroger's has some in another brand, but this is the Great Value brand, Walmart organic, and it is so good. I love me some Honeycrisp apple. Also, I got this Hawaiian Punch. I love the lemon berry squeeze. I have not had this in a couple years. I haven't bought it in a long time. Downstairs, I also have the regular red punch. So I have that. I think I have 2 of those red punches. But I have the lemon berry squeeze. If y'all haven't tried it, y'all, it's delicious. So try it. It's very good. It's like strawberry lemonade, except it's a little different, but it's so good. It's so, so good. Alright guys, so that is it. That's my little small haul. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you all buy or have bought jewelry from Walmart and if it lasted or if it was just kind of cheap and janky for you. But I have had good success with it. I haven't bought it a lot, but when I saw that, I said, let me, get this and see if it lasts as long as the other, because I haven't had any problems with it at all, the Walmart jewelry, and the watches either. So yeah, let me know your opinion. And guys, I will see you next time right back here on Tracie's Place. Love you all. Bye.